how to create call-only ads in Google Ads. Alright guys, so in order for us to create call-only ads in Google Ads, what I want you guys to do first is to sign up on ads.google.com. Once you're already on this, I want you to proceed with, of course, signing in your account. If you haven't already created your account here just yet, just go ahead and create your account real quick, and you should basically be able to get started already. Once you're done with that, I want you to go on over and click on the plus sign on your dashboard to create a new campaign. Just tap on the plus sign and new campaign button. Once you're there, you could actually now choose your goal. Depending on what you need, of course, you do have two options, either leads or sales. But once you're done with choosing what your goal is, just go ahead and select the search as the campaign type. And then under the campaign subtypes, select create a campaign without a goals audience. This option is actually optional, but the next step is, in order for us to proceed, is choose call as a conversation type. Now under the select the ways you'd like to reach your goal, choose phone calls. Enter your business phone number, and basically this sets your campaign up specifically to drive phone calls. But once you're done with that, of course, you need to go ahead and just set up your campaign details, including the name of your campaign, choosing your networks. Of course, you do need to select, or rather leave, search network checked, set the target location, languages, bidding strategy, and budget. And then, once you're already done with that, the last step is to create your call-only ad. Now, under ads and extensions, just click on the plus icon and tap on new ad, call ad. And then, of course, enter the necessary details, including your business name until the display URL and description. And once basically tap on save. Once you're done with that, just go ahead and tap on publish campaign. And that's how you guys could easily create a call-only ad campaign on Google Ads. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and take care.